So here we have the first non-ozone wing I've ever purchased, a Swing Nyos RS. First thing I noticed is the colors are brighter than I thought they'd be. The website doesn't show the colors correctly. Oh, what's this? Oh, I see. Wow. Looks like it comes with a saucisse bag. It's got Rast, yes. Comes with a printed manual. That's pretty cool. I love the nice thick lines. Around here, skinny lines are terrible. Magnetic. It's going to be a bit of a heavy wing compared to the ultralight ones that I'm used to flying. Fabric feels a little bit lighter than my Z5. Reminds me of the UP setup on the brakes. If I recall, it's got 61 cells, something like that, so it's got a lot of cells. Probably don't have the angle right, but somewhere in there is the Rast system. This will be the first wing I've flown in a long time that doesn't have shark nose, but it does have nitinol. How far does the nitinol go? Looks like it goes to right there. Supposedly you can take all kinds of bending. Yeah, the nitinol goes all the way down through quite a ways. All the way down through there. Nitinol memory metal. It's a big wing. Stabilo. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Stabilo attack points. I'm going to run in reverse. Some interior strapping to help hold stuff in. Doesn't really seem like it's super unusually effective design, but I do like that. The wide waist belt strap is a big plus in my book. No phone pocket. It looks like it's pretty much just a standard rucksack. I probably won't switch from my Nova. It also means that the buckles are in the right orientation if you do it that way. Definitely a big wing. Takes up a lot more volume in my pack. The weight is more, but so far manageable. But they really need to come out with a light version. The listening swing, lightweight version of the wing. The zippers are nice. Seem to not bind at all. So that's cool. This is a fail. The manual shows this thing as having Velcro, and instead there's no Velcro. I'm going to cut it and either add Velcro or maybe just some snaps. Hopefully this thing will fly. Come on. Get some lift. And that's not happening. Doesn't seem to be super impressive. Just exciting. Oh man, slammed her down, but it's thermic. Man, actually the wing does pretty good in thermic conditions. And the Nittinol should be able to take it, right? Yes, sir. Here we see the mod that I did. This thing was just a continuous piece of cloth. You had to try to cram the wing underneath it. Stupid swing. Everybody else has Velcro. So I added my own Velcro using the sewing machine. Worked pretty good. Well, the sign worked right away. Actually, Raul saw me and came to give me a ride, but still, pretty good. Gotta love that Texas Parks and Wildlife Service. Oh yeah.